Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam wall decor. And so what we'll need is one of these nickel trays from Dollar Tree. I've got some gemstones here. And these are the peel and stick kind. Got some hot glue. And I have an old picture frame here from Dollar Tree. And the reason I'm going to be using this is I'm going to be popping this hook off of here. And I'm going to be using the hook to create the hanger for the wall decor. And so I also have some of these little table card holders, place card holders. And they come in a pack of 4. I've got a round mirror. Got some loose gemstones here. And I also have some of these little glass beads, glass gems from Dollar Tree as well. So these are the items that we'll need in order to get this project completed. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and right around this beveled part of the mirror, I'm going to go ahead and add some gemstones to that. Now I'm just going to add some diamond gemstones around the edge here. And this frame has 2 of these hooks on it, so I'm going to take the one for the horizontal. I'm just going to pull it out. It just takes a little pressure, just like that. Pops right out. And I'll save this for when I get ready to hang this. And I'm simply going to put it onto the back of the wall decor. Okay, so I've got my gemstones around the tray, and that's looking really beautiful. And so what I need to do at this point is I have these placeholders, and so I'm just going to take them all out of here. Just like that. And just pop them all out like that. And then we're going to take these and glue them into position here. Just going to take some hot glue. Okay, now so that I've got this all glued down, isn't that pretty? Now I'm going to go ahead and add one of these gemstones in the center of each of these. So that's 8. And now that I've gotten the gemstones, the glass beads all glued into place, I'm going to go ahead and add one of these little diamond gemstones to the center of the glass bead, just for a further embellishment, but you don't have to do this step. It's not something that you have to do. I probably should have glued this on before I completed the rest of the project, but nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and glue this on here. I've already chosen a spot for it so that it lines up nicely. I'm just putting some hot glue there, and then I'm just pressing this right down into it, just like that. And then to sure it up, I'm just going around it with some more hot glue. Okay, how beautiful is that, you guys? Isn't that gorgeous? Now let's decorate with this. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.